My name is Arash Shadravan. I'm the Energy Business Development Manager for Roboze, one of the very first U.S. employees in Houston. I come from the energy background. I used to work for ExxonMobil and Baker Hughes in the past. My education is in petroleum engineering and material science, and I am engaging these days with the energy customers, large operating companies, large service companies, as well as the manufacturing companies to basically use additive manufacturing within their portfolio. It's very important to understand the energy value chain when you start trying to get the adoptions of this technology, and this is the fun of the work. Over the past couple of years also, as the industry, we've been looking into standardizing the process for adoptions of additive manufacturing. I have been honored to serve a committee called API 20T, T like Tom, for additive manufacturing of non-metallics. Basically, this is the key for us to utilize additive manufacturing and bring it from the prototyping to industrial world. So industrial additive manufacturing is one of my goals. Obviously, business development is growing the business, but also focusing on strategic goals, how we can digitize the supply chain. So the steps that I take every day with multiple companies is to educate, to qualify, and then to digitize. I'm so glad to be at Roboze because what's unique about this company is you can express yourself and you can act very fast. Act very fast, but at the same time, we are acting within the specifications and expectations of the customers with the industrial background.